friends and family, and welcome to March's Unboxing. If you're new here, my name is Jennifer and I do subscription unboxings and mystery boxes when I find them or as they become available, and I hope that you enjoy that type of video and hang out for a little while. I always have a different variation because I don't receive any PR, so everything that I do is paid for, and it's just to share and have fun with you guys, and it also helps me to get ready because I don't really go anywhere anymore these days. So anyway, we are going to be reviewing the March BoxyCharm Luxe, and this is in this beautiful white and green bag. Ooh! So, I can't wait to get started. This is the upgrade from the base box that you get every quarter. So instead of getting the base box, you will get the Luxe box, and it is on a quarterly basis. So instead of the $25.99, it's an upcharge of $24.99 for a total of $49.99. I hope that all makes sense. I have not looked at this at all. Again, the only thing I ever do is cut the little tag so that we can open it, but everything is my first everything, you know? All right, so this is a pretty huge box. Whew, I believe we have like 8 items in here, and look at how huge this card is. So we get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We get 8 items, just as I thought. You do always get a theme of the month, which is obviously for St. Patrick's Day. Here you also receive the card with all of your items, and then you do get this little variation number at the bottom. So there is that if you are interested. So let's go ahead and get started. Alright, so the first item I find in here is this big guy on top. This is the BarBar eyeshadow palette. This is a new brand to me. I have not tried them, so I am super excited. Has these cute little eyelashes on there. That's adorable. So adorbs. Alright, and let's see. Look at all of these gorgeous colors. Like, that's a lot. Those are a lot of pans, and it looks as though we have a lot of shimmers, and maybe it looks like there's only 4 matte colors. And you know I'm all about the bright colors, so I'm gonna go ahead, we'll go ahead and swatch the blue. We'll swatch this like red color, or like brown mauve color. Those two. Those guys are the matte colors. So there you can see that. So, okay, they're all right. They're all right. Let's keep going. Let's keep going. Let's go ahead and do this like emerald green color, and then we will do, what other color shall we do? Let's do this like golden color. It's like a copper. Look at those pretty colors. Ooh, shiny. Ooh, yes, please. Oh, those are very nice. I'm kind of excited about that green because I didn't get that olive palette that everybody else got. So super excited to try that one. Ooh, gorgeous. Okay, so I'm happy with the way that swatched. Of course, that doesn't tell us the whole story. We will have to do a try on. And join me on my Instagram because I will swatch all of these and I will post those pictures up because I can't let you guys down. We got to give it a full inspection. So that, let's see, this retails for $50. So already right there with the first item that we pull out of the box, it pays for the entire box. So now everything in the box is basically free, if you know what I mean. So very good start to this box, and like I said, there's a lot. Oh yeah. Oh, cool. Oh, I'm happy with the stuff that I see. All right. the first thing I want to pull out was my choice item. And so you do get to choose an item or two. I've heard that they're going to start letting you choose 2 choice items. So I did choose 2, and this was one of the 2 that I got, and it was the makeup holder. And let me see if I can, oh, it's fancy. It's got, look at that, it's magnetized. So this is cute little brush holder. And I'm so excited, it's gonna look so cute. Oh, look at that. So it says, so face, eyes, and lips. It's got these compartments, and it's just a good quality size. So yeah, oh yeah, ooh, I love it. So yeah, I could not pass up picking this item. It's gonna go so well on my makeup desk and all of that stuff. So this makeup brush holder is $34. So again, we are already way above on track for this box. So that was item, we're 2 for 2. The second item that I picked was the Fenty Beauty Concealer. And so far, I have loved Fenty Beauty. It has been a really amazing product. All of the things that I have tried, and so I thought, you know, I did pick the Fenty powder, the last one of the last choice that we had, and I love it. So now I'll get to try the foundation. It does kind of look a little light. Of course, it's kind of hard to tell because, you know, you're picking your color online, and you know, maybe it'll be okay. So let's go ahead. It's got this little pump, and I don't know what color I got. I got number 250. So anyway, let's go ahead and see if we can, all right, let's see if we can put that on thy skin. So it looks like it might be all right. Oh, that's nice. It is supposed to be full coverage from my understanding. So a little bit of a yellow undertone there, but I do think that it probably will work out for me. So I think that I can make this work. Between this and, you know, we can do magic with makeup pretty much these days. So I think that it'll be fine. Let me just wipe some of that off there. So good product here. So the Fenty Beauty is, where are ya? Fenty Beauty, $36 for that. So again, still doing great. The next item, which I'm excited for, is the Dominique Cosmetics in the color Crush. I was certainly hoping that this would be in my box. So yeah, I'm winning. I am like so winning on this box. You guys have no idea. Also, I watched when she first launched this lip pencil product. So it's like a mauve color. She had talked about the shape of her pencils. So there's like this little, I don't know if you can tell, it's like a little teardrop shape. But she had said that what it is so that you can line your lip as well as fill it in. And I thought that was awesome. I was like, I don't know how, oh yeah, I'm gonna like that. I do. I'm gonna like the shape of that, and it does, see that? It is gonna be a nice filler inner. So I am super excited about this item as well. So the Dominique Cosmetics Creamy Fill and Define Lip Liner is $18. So again, we are just on a roll. We are in the money with this box, ladies and gents. Okay, so we got a makeup brush from Kat. Oh, this one actually says Kat Von D. So I thought that it was now called something. I thought it was just called KVD. I didn't realize that. So I don't know. Maybe it's just me. But I could have swore it was just called KVD nowadays. This is the Edge Foundation brush number 10. So you can see that there. Let's go ahead and open her up. And you guys know I'm a sucker for brushes. I got this new brush holder. Like what? Oh, I like this. Oh, this is gonna be nice, I think, for like, it's kind of sculpted, but I think that it'll be good for under the eyes. Oh, okay. So I'm not sure if you can see the sculptedness of this brush. But, and then there's the number there. It says it's a number 10. I don't know if that makes a difference or it matters, but thought I'd show that. So that's really good. A very nice quality, not flimsy at all. Like I said, I think it'll be perfect. Huh. Or maybe to like do the chisel thing they so call nowadays. I don't know, I'm not a pro like that. But anyway, this one retails for $34. So I think this is gonna be an expensive box. Whew, all right, we still have 3 more items to go. All right, next I see is the 24 karat gold lip plumping mask. So here is this guy. It looks very pretty. Oh, I don't know if you can see it in the camera, but it has on top of the gold or glitter, there is stars in there also. So I probably won't put that on because I do have lipstick on. Oh, it smells minty. It smells kind of minty and almost like an alcoholic, like, I don't know. I don't like the alcoholic scent in it. But let's go ahead and see what that consistency is. I kind of want to get that little star. There's a star in here. Okay, I'm going to put that here. I really want you guys to see the little cute star. Okay, so there's that texture. I can feel it a little tingly and minty. I think the camera can't pick up that glare, but that's okay. There is a little tiny star in there. Feels good on the skin. A little messy with the glitter, but I think, I mean, if it's a lip scrub and you're using it like during your cleansing routine, it's probably not going to be a huge deal. So, you know, keep that in mind. But if you already have your makeup on, you probably won't want to use this. But either way, it's something to try. It's fun to try. It's neat. So let me see where this is at. This is $42. $42. Remember last time I was like, there was like a $36 lip balm. Now we got a $42 lip scrub. Like what? We are bougie. Bougie, bougie. Okay, next item, Glow Recipe. I was trying to say 2 words at once. Glow Recipe Plump Hyaluronic Serum. So, I'm not so much a, let me grab my scissors to open this up. I'm not really I haven't really thought Glow Recipe has been all that wonderful in my opinion, just because a lot of it is real like gel-ish, and I don't really like the gel. I like the cream. So let's see what this looks like here. This looks more of a serum. Yes, it is a serum. Super cute little bottle here. And remember guys, everything in this box is full size, so it's gonna give you enough to, you know, it's more than a sample, which is a good thing. You'll know if it's gonna work or not, if you want to repurchase it or what. Oh, it has a little pump. Pump it up. Pump up the jam. And yes, it does have that gel-like texture, but I think it's a little more loose and watery than the other gel products that they've had in the past. So maybe I will give it a try. No, you know what? I could still feel it's kind of jelly. It doesn't really have a scent, so I don't know. I'll have to think about this. Like I say, I'm not for the gel textured stuff, so we will see. But I am still very happy to give it a try. And this one is, where is Glow Recipe on thy card? $42. This one is also $42. Damn, Gina. It's a lot of stuff. Okay, last but not least, and something that I was hoping to get because I did see that this was in some of the variations. This is the Rose Quartz hair mask. And look how huge this tub is. Like, look at how big this tub is. Like, this is gonna last a minute. So what do we do? Is this like a once a week kind of a thing? Let me see. The Rose Quartz. Your touchstone of hair products. The Rose Quartz hair mask suits a spectrum of needs. With 0% sulfates, sodium chloride, parabens, PEGs, or some phthalates. It suits all hair types and is safe for use with all chemical processes, vegan and certified cruelty-free, made with love in the US of A. What do you say? Ugh, I can't open it. Ugh, come on. All right. And of course it's sealed, but I'm gonna use this baby. Oh, it smells like a dream. Oh, you guys, amazing. Oh yeah, look at this. Oh yeah, that's got a nice texture on it. Okay, let's go ahead and we're gonna put that there. I don't know if you could even see it, but you know, of course it's just a cream. You know, I love that. Oh yeah, because I'm always coloring my gray hairs. So this is perfect. I can't wait to give that a whirl. And this baby retails for $31. So we got a really good box. So let's go ahead and do the recap. So we got the Rose Quartz hair mask. We've got the Fenty Beauty foundation, the gold lip scrub, the brush, the makeup brush. We've got the Dominique Cosmetics lip liner. We've got the makeup holder, and we got the full eyeshadow palette. And the last thing was the Glow Recipe. So please let me know what you thought. Is it worth the upgrade? Do you enjoy getting this box? I know that I do. I'm very pleased. I think the only product that I may not end up using is probably this and maybe this, but everything in here was amazing. So please like, comment, subscribe, and follow me on Instagram for more like I said, I always post swatches and other makeup related items or things to talk about. So I'd love for you to see me and join me there. Anyway, have a great rest of your week, and we will see you later. Bye-bye.